Barber etiquette. Why is barber etiquette so important? From the moment someone walks in to the moment they leave. Everything to do with barbering is from start to finish. Just like a client walking in, treating them with extra special care is so valuable.
It's very important to stay professional as a barber. There are many ways of doing so. One of the things is arriving before the shop opens up, at least 15 to 20 minutes. That way you have time to set up your tools and yourself for your clients. Brushing your teeth. No one likes smelly breath while getting a haircut. Fingernails should be cut short and clean, that way you don't get any hairs or germs in your nails while cutting. Most people won't say anything, but imagine a client looking over your nail and it's long and there's other people's hair and dirt in them. That's not so nice. Make sure your face is washed. Get those eye boogers and get your nose cleaned up. No one likes looking at boogers while getting a lineup. And make sure your hair is well dressed for the day. Since you are the walking billboard, if you can't take care of your hair, why do you think clients will trust you with it? Keep the gossip outside the shop. Imagine talking bad about someone to the client. It is important to communicate and be ethical at the shop.
And it's your job to have that long-lasting impression.